Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is the dog I'm fostering for a little while. His name is Bo. He's a pretty good boy. Today's his first day here on the farm. He's skittish, and he's a good boy. He's just still got a lot of puppy ways to him, and he don't know what to do right now. But it reminds me of an old dog I had named Fremont, and I'll tell you a story about Fremont on one of my Sunday Frugal Farmer remembers. But he's a good boy, and I think he's gonna be a nice little addition to the farm. I've just got one rule, about his shots. He's got all his shots, and can't be a fiend to cats either, because I like my feral cats, as y'all well know. But he seems to be my kind of dog. I mean, he's just got enough puppy in him to be playful, but I think he's gonna be a big help to me here. Second set of eyes and ears. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.